Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to flash on Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. To use the flash on your Android device, you can have following steps. You can follow some steps. For example, open the camera app on your Android device. Now you can look for the flash, which is usually located in the top left or the top right corner of the screen, which is here. Tap on the flash icon to turn it on or off. And some models may require you to select the menu icon first, but there is not that option, so I can just simply turn on that flashlight. You can also choose the set to flash to automatic or always on by tapping on the flash icon and selecting the desired option from the drop down menu. So this is how you can easily flash on your Android phone. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.